All the ingredients: the chickpeas, onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, garam masala, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, haldi, kasuri methi, and oil, as well as about 3/4 of a cup of water. Initially we'll be adding 1/4 of a cup later on the cooker when we check the water level. So we'll keep this on the cooker, put on the gas on high flame. We check the water. Maybe we need 1 cup of water. We'll close the cooker and allow this to come to the first whistle. So at the whistle, the first one, we'll reduce the gas to low and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes more. So the whistle has gone off. We'll reduce the gas now and keep it for 7 or 8 minutes more. So it's been 8 minutes cooking. We'll put out the gas now and allow the pressure to ease down before we open the cooker. And now the pressure is down. We'll open the cooker and check on the ingredients. They seem to be cooked. The masala as well as the chana. We'll give it a stir. Keep the gas on high. Yes, the chana too is soft now. So we will roast the chana now on high flame, stirring continuously for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this method is a very simple method. You just have to chop all the ingredients and put them in the cooker and pressure them. This uses very less oil as well. So it's a very easy one-pot dish that you can prepare. So keep stirring the chana and roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes. As the chana gets roasted, you can see that the water is drying up. The water will almost dry up by the time the chana is roasted. So as you can see now, the masala is roasted. The chickpeas also have been roasted. You can always press the chickpeas to see if they have turned soft. So we'll add water now. All the water from 1 liter that was remaining, we added just 1 cup of water from this. So totally we have added 1 liter water. We'll give a good stir and close the cooker. So at the first whistle, we'll reduce gas to low and keep it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So the whistle has gone off. We'll reduce the gas now to low and keep it for about 20 to 25 minutes more. We'll put up the gas now. It's been 20 minutes cooking. We'll allow the pressure to go down. And now we'll open the cooker. The pressure has gone down and check on the kabuli chana. The gravy seems to be good. And we'll check the chana as well to see if they are soft. Yes, they are. So our chickpeas curry is ready. We'll just put on the gas and heat it for a couple of minutes. In case the gravy is thin, you can always cook it for a few minutes more, but our gravy seems to be just right. We'll check the salt as well, add if needed. And we're adding just a wee bit of salt, but you can always check the salt and add if you need. So we allow the gravy to thicken a bit for about 2 to 3 minutes. So our dish of the day, kabuli chana or chickpeas curry, is ready. We'll put off the gas and transfer it to a serving bowl. You can garnish it with some chopped cilantro or some julienne ginger. So here is our dish of the day, kabuli chana or chickpeas curry. Do try it. It's very simple, one-pot dish. And give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. And see you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Thanks for watching.